y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do the pre-parting for medium knotless box braids. So right here, guys, I'm just showing the braid pattern. I'm going to show it once again so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I have 3 rows in the back, 4 rows going from ear to ear, and then 4 mini rows at the top. That is the best method for me when I pre-part because it helps everything like balance out. So I've learned that pre-parting for medium knotless braids, even though it takes about 20-25 minutes to really part and braid everything out the way, it really gives you a more doable, how do I explain this? It gives you a more doable task. When I braid hair, sometimes I'm impatient, okay? I'm an impatient person. And with doing hair, it requires patience, right? So I've learned I was like, let me try this pre-parting out and see if it makes my anxiety go down a little bit, especially when a client has like maybe super thick hair, and I know these knotless are going to take forever or whatever the case may be. And I'm a visual learner, so it helps me really map out exactly what needs to be done and when it needs to be done and how much I really have left. Whenever you just generally part, you never really know how much you have left, okay? And also, whenever you pre-part, it cuts down time because you don't have to sit here and stop and part a long section, clean the section up, and then start braiding. You can already just do that at the beginning, have the braiding hair already pre-sectioned as well, waiting on you, and all you literally have to do is take that row out and start to braid. It really cuts down time, guys. For this style, it usually takes about 6.5 hours, especially since she's getting waist length. Guys, this took me 5 hours. It took almost 2 hours off of my time, and I noticed a huge difference, guys. So like I said, it helped with my anxiety when it came to how much hair I have to do. It helps with the vision so I can see exactly how everything looked and how everything is going to look. And it also allows me to balance everything out. So it allows me to have the same amount of box braids on both sides, so that way everything is equal. Have you ever had your hair done and you notice that it's more braids on the left side or more braids in the back than it is in the front, or more braids in the front than it is in the back, or more braids on the right than it is on the left? So this helps balance out everything for clients, and I really highly recommend pre-parting for newer braiders because it allows you to see a more doable task and allows you to balance out the hair. So yeah, guys, so pre-parting, I never really tried pre-parting, guys, but the pre-parting really helped when it came to the vision, for I can see how everything's going to go, how everything's going to look. So yes, guys, I just wanted to tell you this. This is an old video, so I recorded this about 2 months ago, guys. I have so many videos like that I'm editing almost at the same time, and I try to do it when I can. So guys, I have about 20 videos that are kind of older. This is back when I was using the regular Shine and Jam, and I don't use the regular Shine and Jam anymore when it comes to parting. So, that's just something to really think about. Just in case you guys see like the description box and you say, oh, like I thought you said Shine and Jam was trash. I thought you said da. I don't think Shine and Jam is trash, but I do see and notice better products, and that's just the bottom line, okay? So guys, just go ahead and watch this. This is not necessarily a tutorial. I am going to show you guys how I do the rows up until I get to that last 4 rows. But it's just more so like an educational video so you guys can see like, okay, pre-parting really helps, navigate and see what's next and helps balance out the braids. And I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of content so you guys can kind of watch and vibe to the music. Love you guys so much. I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget. Bye.